Hi, I'm Paul from Velo Works, and I love servicing Bromptons, and I find myself servicing one again. I think we've got a couple this week. So we've got a nice service, new chain, new rear sprockets, and new tyres. Get the Brompton really nice and fresh for the customer as he uses it to commute to London via the train as well. Come join me for a nice, peaceful service of a Brompton. Cool. So that's the Brompton dialed in. New tyres, new brake pads, full service, and a rear mudguard, which I failed to mention as the other one was snapped. So ready to go, taking it for a test ride, and it is sweet. So all that's left to do is get it back to the customer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.